The diagram shows an equilateral triangle and a circle with center O. AB, BC, CA are tangents to the circle. Radius is given as x. Total area in centimeter square of the region shown shaded in the diagram is nx square. So basically area of shaded region is nx square over here, and we need to find the value of n. Now there is a challenge over here, okay, and that is that we need to get sides of this equilateral triangle. Then only we can think of finding area of equilateral triangle, okay. Now for equilateral triangle, there are few prerequisites. Everyone is expected to know that equilateral triangle means all three sides equal and all angles 60 degree. Okay, this is like a prerequisite. For equilateral, you must know this. Now, since it is a symmetric figure, what I will do, I'll just create a line over here which will divide that 60 degree into two equal parts. And that's why this half will be 30 degree. And as we have discussed SOHCAHTOA, it is time to apply it over here. We will get this side, which is literally half of AB. Okay, so as per the labeling, we will be finding PB. And for that, I can use tan. So tan 30 is equal to x over PB. For calculations, if you're doing it together, okay, you can do it along with me. That is recommended. You can use calculator wherever you feel like. Okay, so we need to find PB value. And PB is x over tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So that will give me root 3x. For this, calculator can be used if you don't know the value. So we have got PB as root 3x. AB is twice of that. So I have got AB is equal to 2 root 3x. Means I got side of equilateral triangle. Now for this equilateral triangle, if I have two sides, 2 root 3x, 2 root 3x, and I have angle between them, I can get area using the formula which we have just discussed. Okay, so area of triangle will be half 2 root 3x, 2 root 3x times sine 60. There is always confusion in some students that what these dots are for. Okay, I hope all of you know. Okay, dot is multiplication. When we are using x, then don't put cross like this. Otherwise, it's a confusion that whether you are writing x or multiplication. Okay, so better don't use cross in these cases. We have to just solve this. So it will be 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 over 2 is 6. So 6x squared. And then here we have sine 60, which is root 3 by 2. Okay, so 4 3s are 12. 12 by 2, 6 root 3 by 2. And that will be finally 3 root 3 x squared, because 2 and 6 will get cancelled and we will be left with this. Now that's area of a triangle. Now why we have found area of a triangle? Because in order to get the shaded region, we must have triangle, and from triangle I will remove circle. Okay, this is the best way to understand such questions where we have shaded regions. So triangle minus circle. Now area of circle is pi r square. R value is x in this case. So area of circle is simply pi x square. Now, as I told that if I want shaded region, then it will be triangle minus circle. Okay, that is 3 root 3 x square minus pi x square. And from both, it is clearly visible that this x square is common. I can take it out, like I can factor it out. I will be left with this. And 3 root 3 minus pi can be solved using calculator to get answer to 3 significant figures. Okay, so I want all of you to try and write down the answer in chat. Okay, I want proper participation. So you can quickly note this down, as well as if you get the answer, just put it in the chat. Okay, so when you will solve this, this will come out to be 2.05 x square. Okay, this is a value up to 3 significant figure. So the answer is find the value of n. Final answer will be n is equal to 2.05.